Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to start off a new series that I'm going to run along with our normal regular weekly videos, but this one is just going to be 1 or 2 videos a week that are short, 2 to 4 minute long, single tips in each video, so 1 tip per video. So today's video I thought we would start off just a simple one. We've all had a slip up with a hammer and we've missed our nail and we've whacked the face of the timber. Now in Australia we call that a 2-bob. We've put a 2-bob mark in the wood. So you think, what am I going to do now? Like this is a scene, it's a bit of furniture, it's seen. Like now I've got this unsightly dent. How are we going to fix this? Well, today's simple trick is grab a bit of spit and lay it on top of your, bit gross but works wonders. So you lay it on top of your dent or your 2-bob, and then you leave it for however long it takes to soak in, and the moisture in your spit obviously and some other goodies in your spit, if it's the right sort of timber, it will raise the grain up. This is a bit of cedar, western red cedar, so it will raise up nicely. It'll take a few minutes, it'll come up, I'll be able to sand that flat and no one will ever be the wiser. If your spit doesn't work, a nice hot damp rag, and you can lay that on there, and the hot water, it needs to be hot though, not cold water, hot water in the rag, lay the rag on the dent, and that will draw out the cell structure of the timber and bring it back up so that you can sand it off nice and flush. So I'll just leave this to sit now and I'll boot the camera back up when it's done and I'll show you what it finishes up like. Okay, so here's our 2-bob. So I'm just going to wipe the spit off it. And you can see that it's already looking a lot better. So we'll give it a sand. And now that the sanding's done, you can see how it's come up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.